Hello everybody, this is Lisa Freeman here from stampingwithlisa.com, and I just wanted to pop in tonight and show you this really cute card that I made today. It is super easy and it's a really cute Christmas card, or you could do it for anything really. You can put whatever words you want into the middle. I just thought it was really pretty for Christmas because of the colors that I used, but if you want to use like more like springy colors, you could do like blues and purples and greens, and then put something else in there like happy birthday. But it's just a really cool technique. I saw somebody else do one kind of similar to this with a different stamp set, but using kind of the same technique. So I wanted to show you how to do it, and let me get started. So first off, here's what you'll need: the Forever Fern stamp set. And we're using this one, this one, this one, and that's it. Just those three. And then the Perfectly Plaid stamp set, we're using the Merry Christmas from that. So those two stamp sets. And then you need this paper. So I've got a half a sheet of 8.5 by 5.5, folded in half, and that's white. Merry Merlot, 5 1/4 by 4. And another piece of Whisper White. This one's 4 by 4. A piece of ribbon that's 6.5 inches, and this is the Pretty Peacock. What is it called? Pretty Peacock scalloped linen ribbon. It's really pretty. So a piece of that, 6.5 inches, and then some braided trim. You need about 7 inches. I just have a piece that was left over, so I don't know how much it is, but you need about 7 inches to make the bow. So that's all you need. So I'll just lay that there if you want to take a little picture real quick. I messed up on the words right there. All right, I hope you guys are having a great day. It's a Monday. Hey Deborah, I'm glad you're catching me live today. How you doing? All right, so let's get started. It's Monday after Thanksgiving. I hope everybody's recovered from eating all that food. I had to work all day, but I did get to eat a little bit of Thanksgiving food. But I'm not a really big turkey fan, so that's okay with me that I didn't get too much. All right, so let's get started, and let me show you how you're gonna do it. Okay, first thing I did was I started with a Post-it note. So these I found on Amazon. They're called super sticky Post-it notes. So the whole entire thing is sticky, not just the, you know, how normally just the top is sticky. This is actually the whole entire Post-it. So they're on Amazon. They're called super sticky Post-it. And I've got the 2-inch, I think it's 2 inches, 2-inch punch. I'm just going to put that in there and punch it out. And I've actually got 2 in here, I think. 2 stuck together, because it's hard to punch one piece of thin paper with a punch, so I always do 2. See if I can get it peeled apart. All right, it's coming. All right, so now I've got 2 of them. So you want to put this right in the very center, and you can put it on your paper, your grid paper here, and kind of look at it that way. Whoops, let me move it down. All right, so you want to center it on here, and then put it right in the middle. All right, so that looks good. All right, so that's the first step. So put it right in, and this is 4 by 4, and this is a 2-inch circle. All right, then we're going to start with the Sahara sand and the biggest one. So what I did was I stamped this kind of to the side. Oh, you know what I did too is I put a piece of scrap paper just in case, so it wouldn't go over the edge, because this one has a long stem. So let me go ahead and do that. So I put it like in the corner here, and then ink it up again, and then you're going to do another one exactly straight across from it. So you see you've got that stem right there, so I put it exactly straight across. And give it a good press, because you've got this paper here, which makes a little bit of a gap if you don't press really hard. All right, then we're going to go the other two ways. So we're going to kind of make a cross here. So I'm going to go this way. Give it a good press, and then turn it around and do it this way. So we're doing all four corners, like the diagonal corners. Okay. Oh, you're in a wheelchair, but scoot around the kitchen. Oh, poor thing. All right. So that's the first step. So we did just the Sahara sand. I'm going to leave that out for a second because we're going to do another one with that color. All right, then we're going to take the one that looks like berries or eucalyptus. We're going to do that in Mary Merlot. And we're going to go straight up and down. So I did the four like corners diagonal. So this one I'm going to kind of do straight up here. And then another one in the middle. And just kind of turn it. So I'm doing it like every 90 degrees. Like so. Alright, so that's what it looks like so far. Let me move that out of the way. Alright, and then I'm going to keep that out because I might go back and add a little bit more of those. Alright, then we're going to go to the Pretty Peacock. And you're just going to kind of fill in wherever you want. So I'm going to do one here. And I'm also going to put a little bit extra. So one there, a little bit there. One there. So you can kind of do whatever you want. So I think that looks pretty good. Yep. I think that looks good. All right, so that's pretty much it. And then you're going to take, let me close this before I accidentally stamp in it. You're going to take back the Sahara sand and use the little sprinkle stamp. And I think that, yeah, that's in the Forever Fern set. So we're going to just put some sprinkles all over. All right. Maybe a little bit more. Boy, my chair is squeaky all of a sudden. Okay. So then let's put these away. All right, and here's where it looks cool. So I've got the sticker here. I'm going to peel that off. And then you're going to have this empty circle in the middle. Like so. All right, you know what? I think I need a little bit more right there. I'm going to just put this back on for a second. And do one more right over here in this corner. Just a little bit shorter right there. I'm just going to add it right there. All right. Now it looks more even. Okay, so now we're going to peel that off. And you kind of pick whichever way you like it to look. And I'm going to stamp the Merry Christmas. Oh, I've needed that pad again. So this is Mary Merlot. We're going to put the Merry Christmas in the middle. And just put that right there in the center. There you go. Isn't that pretty? And then we're going to do a little bow. So this is that braided trim. And when I do a bow, I like to just keep it on the roll instead of just cutting a piece because that wastes it. So thanks, Deborah. All right, so there. Oh. Having trouble doing a bow today. All right. We just want a little loop. And the secret is always just holding the center and just kind of pulling back and forth with the ends until you get it how you want it. And then just snip that. Maybe a little bit more. All right, we're not going to glue that down just yet. All right, so we want to put this on our Mary Merlot piece of paper. So I'm just going to glue that down. And you can use any size circle you want for your wreath. I just chose 2 inches because that's how big my words were. But however big your words are, that's how big you need the circle to be. And then I'm going to wrap this ribbon around the bottom of the white piece and just tape it to the back. And I made this piece exactly the same size as the back piece so that it fits on there just the same, so you really don't see the white. Oops, that's crooked. Okay. All right, so now we're going to glue this down. I think I'm going to use the multi-purpose glue now for this piece. Oops, this is crooked. I can't believe tomorrow's December. It's crazy how fast this year's gone. It's like been the horrible year that never ended, but it's actually almost over. And hopefully 2021 will be so much better. And COVID will be gone. We can go back to our normal lives again. Alright, so just glue that down. And then we want to put our bow on with a glue dot. Right there in the middle. And there you go. So it's a really, really easy card to do. And you can, like I said, use any colors you want. I just think these colors are so pretty for Christmas. I saw another card that had the same colors, so I copied the colors. I think that one came out a little bit better, but that's okay. They're both pretty. What do you guys think? Just let me know in the comments what you think. And if you're watching this on replay on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you get notified every time I do a video. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, as long as it's a nice one, because if it's not nice, I'll delete it. And thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And you guys have a great night and a great week. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.